Hey everyone, I'm Sky from Rick's Review Hub, and I'm super pumped to share my review of the Arlo Wired Floodlight Camera. If you want bright lights and sharp video to keep your home safe, this could be your perfect security upgrade. Let's dive in. First, let's break down what makes this camera awesome. The Arlo Wired Floodlight Camera delivers 2K HDR video with a 160-degree field of view and 12x digital zoom. Its two adjustable LED floodlights pump out up to 2,000 lumens to light up driveways or yards. It connects directly to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and power, so no battery swaps needed. You get motion-activated recording, color night vision, and two-way audio through the Arlo Secure app, which also lets you tweak light brightness, motion zones, and siren settings. It's weatherproof, works with Alexa, Google Home, and IFTTT, and includes a 30-day Arlo Secure trial for smart alerts like person or vehicle detection. Now, the pros. The 2K video is crisp with vibrant daytime colors and clear night vision, perfect for spotting details like license plates. The floodlights are bright and adjustable, covering large areas, and the app is easy to use for customizing alerts. Setup is DIY friendly if you're comfortable with basic wiring, and it's a steal at around $150. Users love the reliable motion detection and smart home integration. On the cons side, you'll need an Arlo Secure subscription, $10 a month for one camera, to unlock video storage and smart features. It requires a 4-inch junction box for installation, so you might need an electrician if you don't have one. Some users note the siren isn't super loud and there's no local storage option yet, though Arlo plans a 2025 update for Smart Hub support. Who's this for? If you want a budget-friendly wired floodlight camera with sharp video and bright lights for your home, this is a great pick. It's ideal for smart home fans, but if you avoid subscriptions or need wireless, you might look elsewhere. Ready to light up your security? Click the link in the description for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's keep your home safe.